all, it's Alma with the Cat's Pajamas, and today I want to show you how to create this cute schoolhouse card in a box. It's a fun card that pops up and it's great for the teacher or student in your life. It's easy to create with an electronic cutting machine, or if you don't have one, you can print out the pieces and cut them out. This video will show you how to put all the pieces of our cuttable together. If you've cut your pieces from an electronic cutting machine, you'll see that there are a lot of small pieces. Now I like to put them directly into my Xyron sticker machine and have adhesive on all the little parts. And it's a good way to keep track of all those little pieces. Then it's just a matter of pulling them off the backing and placing them. Now besides the colored paper parts of the card, you'll cut out 6 larger black pieces. You'll cut 2 of the schoolhouse, 1 front insert, that's the one that looks like a tower with a rounded rectangle on the right, the book insert, the book is on the left, the pencil insert, and the back insert with the globe on the top. Start with one of the schoolhouses and starting from the top, put the small blue roof on the top, leaving a black border around it. Now I like to use tweezers to position the small pieces because my big old hands kind of get in the way. Next, the front of the bell tower, leaving that same black border around it. And then the bell. Next, the bigger roof. And the front of the school. Here you'll see that I'm using a water-based glue, Aleene's Tacky Glue, because I like the open time that it gives me to position the piece where I want it. I've print and cut the school sign and I'm attaching it to a black backing. For the windows, there are 2 rectangles that you can place the black window frames on. The Xyron has left some adhesive residue and I'll just remove it with this rubber cement pickup that I got at Dollar Tree. It's easy to just roll off the adhesive that I don't want. I'll take the schoolhouse sign and place it above the door. And then place 1 window on either side of the door. And now the bushes on either side of the door. Now speaking of the door, it's next. And then the white glass for the teachers and students to look out of. And the front step. And finally the doorknob. And now the front of the school is finished. Putting together the inserts are just as easy. Start with the book insert and place the book that you've cut from colored paper within the form floating to the left. After you place the book, add the pages to the top. And we're done. Now for the globe. Fit the base of the globe in place. And then the round world. And then finally the guard. Now this guard is pretty tiny, so you can choose to cut it out, or you can cut the shape from the black base so that it's open instead of silver. Now let's place the land in the globe. Fit the piece with the slot on the left, hugging the left side of the globe. I had a hard time fitting it just right, so you may want to assemble your earth before you place it in the globe. Also, here's the part where I realized the mask that was supposed to go on the right side was flipped, and I had put adhesive on the front instead of on the back. Not to worry, I'll just glue it down with some white glue, and when it dries, I'll remove the adhesive from the top with my rubber cement pickup. Now for the pencil insert. First, the triangle that looks like a volcano. It helps form the tip of the pencil, and then the sides of the pencil. And the silver band. And then finally the eraser. Here you can see I've gone ahead and attached two of the pieces together. Take the globe insert and attach the tab to the front insert to form a longer piece with 4 fold lines. And there's one tab left on the right hand side. Make sure you crease each fold line well. Now let's assemble the pieces for this insert. Take the pencil insert and flip it over to the back and place strong adhesive on the side tabs. I'm using double-sided tape. Fold the tabs to the front of the insert and burnish. Then take the book insert and place adhesive on the front of each tab. And fold each tab to the back and burnish. Now let's put all the inserts together. Take the globe insert and fold and burnish along each score line. I've also placed adhesive on the back of the tab on this piece. Place the book insert upside down and remove the backing from the left tab. Line up the edge of the tab to the first fold on the globe insert and press the adhesive into the rectangle to the right of the tower. Try to line up the top and the bottom as well. Fold that insert out of the way and take your pencil insert and line up the edge of the tab on the right with the next fold on the globe insert, again pressing the adhesive into the rectangle that the book insert was on. Fold the pencil insert forward and flat, and then fold the book insert over it and fold the tab back. You can see here how the tab should align with the adhesive upwards. Now remove the backing from the book and the pencil insert. Along the way, I seem to have picked up another piece of tape, so I'm just going to make sure that it works for me. And then I'll fold the globe insert flap along the third fold line over those two pieces of adhesive. It's a little scary, I know. Now remove the backing from the remaining adhesive on that tab and fold the side with the globe over and onto it. Open it up and you have a movable insert for the center of the box. Now burnish the heck out of it. Fold it one way and burnish. Fold it another way and burnish. The more you burnish, the easier it will be to open and stay open. The next step is to add the rest of the schoolhouse to this insert. You'll see I'm using Yoo-Hoo glue. It's a solvent-based glue that won't buckle the paper because it has no water in it. And it's easy to clean up with the rubber cement pickup when it dries. I was a little messy with the Aleene's Tacky glue earlier, so I'm switching to this because it'll be easier to clean up. But you can use whatever adhesive you wish. So now, on the back of the globe, I'm going to attach the undecorated piece lining up the roof line. If you wanted space for the message, you could put it here. And then finally the front. Place adhesive on the front of the insert place against the back of the decorated schoolhouse. lining up the roof lines, and press. Now I'll just take my rubber cement pickup and clean up any place that I've left residue. And that's it. It's a cute and easy card to celebrate back to school. I hope you give our cuttable a try. Have a great day.